Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add emotion in Elevenlabs. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser, and in the search bar you need to type elevenlabs.io. After that, you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you will be landed on this type of page where you can write your text in this section. So let's say I want to write this thing. Let's say this is the text that I want to type. After that, you will have to select your speaker. In order to select it, you will have to press this drop arrow button, and among these speakers, you just have to select your speaker. After that, you just have to scroll down and then press generate.
I've never expected this from you.
See over here that this was the basic sound of this speaker that we have, but if you want to add more emotions into it, then you will have to click on voice setting. In the voice setting, you are going to see stability. So if you want to sound it like more emotional, then you will have to decrease the stability. After decreasing it, you will have to scroll down and then you need to press generate again.
I've never expected this from you.
You can see over here that the tone has changed and it is sounding more like human. Now you can even decrease the stability, and then you just have to press generate, and you can do it as many times as you want until you receive your desirable results. So this is how you can easily add emotions in Elevenlabs. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.
I've never expected this from you.